Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see getting to know plants. First question. Tap roots originate from dash. The answer is radical. Second question. Dash are present inside ovary. The answer is ovules. Third, root absorbs dash and dash from soil. Water and minerals are answer. Dash holds the plant upright. The answer is root. Fifth question. Dash contains petals. As you know, everyone will say that flower contains petals. But in this question, the answer is a bit different. Corolla is the answer for this. Sixth, young unopened flower is called dash. As you know, everyone knows that it's a bud. Getting to know plants. Seventh question. Dash acts as a base of the plant. The answer is roots. Eighth, modified stem which helps a plant to climb is called tendrils. Ninth question. Small green leaves at the base of flower are called sepals. Actually, I have to tell the dash, but by mistake I told the answer, guys. 10th question. The two parts of stamen are dash and dash. The answer is anther and filament. Eleventh question. Dash, dash, dash and dash are examples of shrubs. Lemon, basil, rose, pomegranate. 12th. Swollen basal part of pistil is called ovary, which bears the ovules. 13th question. Dash system and dash system are two systems of flowering plants. The answer is root system and shoot system are two systems of flowering plants. 14th question. Plants with weak stem that cannot stand straight and spread on the ground are called dash. The answer is creepers. 15th question. Dash are the male reproductive organs of flower. The answer is stamens. 16th question. Bees and butterflies get attracted to flowers and eat dash present in it. The answer is pollen grains. Dash is an example of reticulate venation. The answer is mango leaf. 18th question. Dash, dash, dash and dash are the parts of flower. The answer is petal, sepal, pistil and stamen. 19th question. Dash has two parts called filament and anther. The answer is stamen. 20 question. The design made by the veins in a leaf is called the dash. The answer is leaf venation. 21. Plants having reticulate venation has dash. The answer is taproots. The process of leaves absorbing water and carbon dioxide from air to produce is called photosynthesis. 23rd. The food prepared by leaves is stored as dash. The answer is starch. 24th question. Dash is that the veins form a net-like a structure. Reticulate venation. 25th. Stems are a dash and dash are called trees. Hard and thick are the answers. 26th. Dash plant is a tree. Mango plant is a tree. 27th. Water comes out of leaf in form of vapor by the process is called dash. The answer is transpiration. 28th. Parts of plant above the ground form the shoot system. 29th question. Dash is an example of a plant bearing taproot. The answer is carrot. 30. Dash, 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 dash and dash are examples of herbs. The answer is coriander, mint, radish, carrot, beetroot, wheat, rice and mustard. 31st question. Dash is an example for climber. The answer is grapevine. 32. Dash is the nutritious fruit which is cooked like vegetable from climbers. The answer is bottle gourd. 33. Dash is the largest fruit which is cooked like vegetable. It is in jack tree. The answer is jackfruit. 34th question. Dash is an example of herbs. The answer is banana plant. 35th question. Dash is the tallest plant. The answer is redwood. 36th question. Plants with green and tender stem are called herbs. 37th question. Dash, dash and dash are the examples of creepers. The answer is watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin. 38th question. Grasses have dash, parallel venation. 39th. Dash is an example for shrubs. Rose plant. 40 question. Dash is the middle of the leaf. The answer is midrib. 41 question. Dash is an example for climbers. The answer is bottle gourd. 42. Dash is an example for creepers. The answer is watermelon. 43rd question. Dash and dash is an example for tree. The answer is neem tree and coconut tree. 44. Parallel venation is that the veins are parallel. Parallel is the answer. 45th. Dash is an example for herbs. The answer is mint. 46. Dash are thin and longer and is having leaf venation is parallel have dash root. The answer is fibrous root and grass leaves. 47. Roots soak up the water and dissolve dash that are present in the soil. The answer is mineral. 48th question. Dash is the tiny pores of the leaf surface. The answer is stomata. 49th question. Dash is the loss of water by plants through stomata. The answer is transpiration. 50 question. Dash are called food factories of the plant. The answer is leaves. 51st question. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a pistil is called dash. The answer is pollination. 52 question. Dash, dash and dash are the agents of pollination. The answer is air, water and wind. 53rd carpel. Carpel is the female reproductive part of flower. Carpel is the answer. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம சுஷ்மிதா நாராயணன் சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பாய்.